This is the final video to fix Xbox app error code 0x80070422 on Windows 11. And if you've been seeing this error, you're not alone. Many users face this problem because Windows services required for the Xbox app sometimes get disabled or misconfigured, causing the app to fail to launch or update. You've probably seen other guides on YouTube or social media that are long, confusing, and full of steps that don't really work. But today on Rexist, I'll show you a secret trick that fixes this error in just a few simple clicks without diving into complicated menus or settings. This method works fast, and anyone can do it, even if you're not tech savvy. If you want, I can also make a step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to apply this trick. So comment below and let me know, and I'll guide you through it all.